all these question paper would be there in the portal in a separate section which is sample question paper. Okay, so how many of you have done the worksheet which I uploaded there? How many of you? Please raise your hand. Viram? Yes. Only Viram. Okay. So, children, let me tell you, you need each and every time a volunteer after you. Why you are not getting the point, children? It is very essential whatsoever we are doing just for you. है ना? Because we are not getting any actual class. So keep practicing, beta. And one subject enrichment test would be there. It would be for 5 minutes. 10 question would be there. I will take it in a Google form. Fine. Hope all of you got your timetable of subject enrichment. What is the date of SST? Yes, Mehak, it's 5th. Fine. So, chapter wise, chapter 1 we have discussed. So, chapter 1's MCQ, first of all, I will share. Then, after, for the same, I will share question paper. Millie, what about you, beta? Why you are not submitting your notes? Neither you are submitting your notes nor you are submitting homework. What's the problem? Millie, I know you cannot unmute yourself, but at least you can text me, beta. The thing, one thing is very clear about you is कि बेटा आप लोगों ने जो अभी बीजेपी में हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम दिलाया है ना, ऐसा आपका बोर्ड एग्जाम नहीं होगा. तो आप ये माइंड जो सेट करके बैठे ना कि वी विल डू इट, वी विल सी इट, ये अपने दिमाग से निकाल दो. इट इज सीबीएसई. फाइन. You, Darshan, you need to submit immediate. If you have not submitted by today evening. Okay, for geography you can send me. Okay, geography notes, you are in dilemma ki to whom we need to submit geography, please send it to me. Fine. So let's start the class. Before starting the class, I'm going to unmute all of you, but it's my humble request, as I always do, कि please maintain the dignity of the class. Unnecessarily don't unmute yourself, है ना? Because the same video I'm going to upload, those who are not able to attend the class proper time, they can see it. तो पीछे से background music आता है, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना? You, all of you are unmuted. बस चेक मत करना हुए कि नहीं. I was confirmed. So, children, you can see here, screen is properly visible to all of you. It is with answer. CBSE Board Objective Questions Exam Session 1920, Class 10, Subject Social Science. Fine. Here, in these question paper, in this worksheet, you are going to get last 15 years exams question, chapter wise. Okay. फॉर 15 ईयर्स एग्जाम चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन बैंक, जो पिछले 15 सालों में क्वेश्चंस आए हैं वो यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. सो इसमें एक एक लाइन कवर हो गया बेटा आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक का. मैं आई थिंक इसको करने के बाद आपको और कुछ नहीं बचता. देन आफ्टर यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, सो आंसर्स आर हियर. I request my children कि 1 by 1 एक क्वेश्चन एक आंसर आप लोग पढ़ते जाओ. Yes, start. Yes. No one wants to read the question answer.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, I'll read.
One by one, everyone have to read each and every question. Yes. Yes, Divyansh, Nandika, anyone
Ma'am,
of
you
you?
say the name.
Divyansh,
Ma'am,
Nandika, anyone of you
ma'am,
can start it, beta.
okay.
Okay, ma'am. Who remarked when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches a cold?
Once again.
Option A.
Once again, please repeat the question twice.
Okay, ma'am.
Please read the question
Who
twice.
remarked when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches a cold? Option A, Giuseppe Mazzini. Option B, Metternich. Option C, Louis Philippe. Option D, Johann Gottfried. The answer is Duke Metternich. Option B.
Yes. Right. Yes. Continue. Fast, beta, fast.
Yes, ma'am. Which country had been party of the Ottoman Empire since 15th century? Answer: Greece.
Hmm.
Which country became full-fledged territorial state in Europe in year 1789? Answer option B, France.
Which country became full-fledged territorial state in Europe in year 1789? You should read the question twice with all options. And the right answer is France. Yes?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
may I?
please.
When was the first clear expression of nationalism noticed in Europe? When was the first clear expression of nationalism noticed in Europe? Option A 1787, option B 1759, option C 1789, and the last option is 1769. And the correct answer is option C 1789.
Very good. Yes.
Read. When was the first clear expressions of nationalism noticed in Europe? When was the first clear expression of nationalism noticed in Europe?
It's
Option
two.
A 1787, option B 1759, option C 1789, and option D 1769. Correct answer is 1789.
Next. बस हो गया.
Name the Italian revolutionary from Genoa. Name the Italian revolutionary from Genoa. Option A, Metternich. Option C, Johann Gottfried. Option C, Giuseppe Mazzini. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Giuseppe Mazzini.
Yes. Anyone please read out this question number 5. Which of
Which
Ma'am,
of
I
the
have a
following
doubt.
जल्दी.
Which
which
of the
of the
following?
following
Pad.
Which of the following did the European conservatives not believe in? Which of the following did the European conservatives not believe in? Option A, traditional institution of state policy. Option B, strengthened monarchy. Option C, a return to a society of pre-revolutionary days. And the correct answer is option C, a return to a society of pre-revolutionary days.
Yes. 7. Number 7.
Which language was spoken for purpose of diplomacy in the mid 18th century in Europe? Which language was spoken for purpose of diplomacy in the mid 18th century in Europe? Options are Germany, English, French, German, English, French, and Spanish. The correct answer is French.
Good.
What was Young Italy? What was Young Italy? Option A Vision of Italy. Option B Secret Society. Option C National Anthem of Italy. Option D none of these. The correct answer is Secret Society.
Wait a moment. Okay. Next.
Where was the first upheaval took?
Sorry.
Treaty of Constantinople recognized Dash as an independent nation. Treaty of Constantinople recognized Dash as an
Constantinople.
independent. Constantinople recognized as independent nation. Option A Greece, option B Australia, option C Italy, and option D none of these, none of the above. And the correct answer is Greece.
Yes.
Which of the
Which
following
of
did
the
not play a
following
role to
did not
develop
play a role
nationalist
to develop national
sentiments?
sentiments?
एक जन
Which
बोलो.
of the following did
Art,
not play a role to develop national sentiments? Option A, art. Option B, music. Option C, climate. And the correct answer is option C, climate.
Harshit, now you read.
who, who was proclaimed the King of United Italy in 1861? Who was proclaimed the King of United Italy in 1861? A. Giuseppe Garibaldi.
Hmm.
B. Victor Emmanuel II. C. Giuseppe Mazzini. D. Cavour. And the answer is Victor Emmanuel II.
Second. Huh. Yes. Continue.
Liberal nationalists mainly belong to which class? Liberal nationalists mainly belong to which class? Option: ethnic class, education middle class, working class, uh, aristocracy class. Option and correct option is B: educated middle class.
Yes, artisan children, you can see here for session 2019-20 from COVID session, free PDF will be available at www.cbsc.online for. So you can visit this website too. Okay. Yes, continue.
Where
Where
was
was
the
the first?
first upheaval took place in July 1803? First Italy, second France, third Germany, fourth Greece. Answer is France.
Yes. Yes, continue बेटा रुको मत बोलते जाओ because we have one more question paper to
The
show you.
most, the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871 was an area called Ottoman Prussia, Balkan, Macedonia. Correct answer is Balkan.
Yes. Balkans. Next.
Which of the following was not a part of Napoleon's defeat? Which of the following was not a part of Napoleon's defeat? Option A Britain, option B Australia, option C Italy.
And the correct option
And
is?
the correct answer is Italy.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
please.
the first upheaval took place in 1830 in when in France when Bourbon that kingdom was overthrown. But in question there is written 1803.
It
That
may
should be
be
1830.
1830. It would be 1830. Nice, Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So make it correct, okay? It's a PDF. When I will convert it, I will convert in a correct form, okay? Yes, continue. 16. Question number 16.
Which
Which
newly
newly
designed flag
Pardon?
Which newly designed flag was chosen to replace the former royal flag, royal standard in France? Which newly designed flag was chosen to replace the formal flag, royal standard in France? Option A, Union Jack. Option B, tricolor. Option C, white saltire. Option D, red cross. And the correct answer is option B, tricolor.
Yes. Next.
Which of the following reforms made the whole system in France more rational and efficient?
हाँ,
Which of the following reforms made the whole system in France more rational and efficient? Options are administrative reforms, social reforms, economic reforms, political reforms. The correct answer is administrative reforms.
good. Next. Who destroyed democracy in France? Who destroyed democracy in France? And the answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. बेटा प्लीज बी रेडी वन आफ्टर वन. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि इसके बाद मैं पढ़ूंगा. फटाफट पढ़ते जाओ.
Which region is ruled over by the
Habsburg Empire.
Habsburg Empire? Australia, Hungary, France, Netherlands, Spain, Portugal, Scotland, Ireland. The correct answer is Australia, Hungary.
Yes. What was the main occupation in the mid 18th century?
What was the main
Yes, continue, Nandika.
What was the main occupation in the mid 18th century in Europe? Option A, trade and commerce. Option B, peasantry. Option C, craftsmanship. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, peasantry.
Yes. Next.
What was the main feature of the of land holding prevailing in the Eastern and Central Europe? What was the main feature of the pattern of land holding prevailing in the Eastern and Central Europe? Options are tenants, vast estates, small owners, landlords. The answer is vast estate.
Which country began to use language as a weapon of national resistance? Which country began to use language as a weapon of national resistance? Option A, Poland. Option B, Prussia. Option C, Hungary. And option D, Austria. And the correct answer is option A, Poland.
Yes. What major issue was?
What major issue was criticized against the liberal nationalists? Option A, censorship laws to control the press. Option B, preservation of the church. Option C, a modern army. Option D, efficient bureaucracy. The correct option is option D, efficient bureaucracy.
Yes.
24. German philosopher John Gottfried claimed that true German culture was to be discovered among the. I repeat the question. German philosopher John Gottfried claimed that true German culture was to be discovered among the. Options are common people, aristocratic, middle class, elite, and D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, common people.
Good. Last MCQ. Read it out. किसी को नहीं पढ़ना?
The meaning of Volksgist. The meaning of Volksgist. Option A, common people. Option B, spirit of nation. Option C, music. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, spirit of the nation.
Yes. Here. So these were your MCQ of the chapter. Hope you all correlated. Now fill-ups.
The Act of Union of 1707 was between dash and dash. The Act of Union of 1707 was between England and Scotland.
Yes.
Jacob
clubs were the dash.
Yes, Nandika, continue it, beta. Jacob clubs were political.
Jacob clubs were the dash. Answer is political club.
Yes.
When conservative regime was restored to power, many liberal-minded people went underground because of the fear of dash. When conservative regimes were restored to power, many liberals-minded people went underground because of the fear of, and the answer is repression.
Yes. Dash allegory represent the nation of France. Dash allegory represent the nation of France, and the right answer is Marine, sorry. Dash were the most serious nationalist tension in the Europe after 1871, and the correct answer is Balkans. True or false? बहुत easy है.
In Britain,
Yes, yes.
in Britain, formation of a nation state was a long parliamentary process. The answer is true.
Yes, in Britain, formation of a nation state was a long parliamentary process. True. Yes.
Jacobin club
Jacobin
influenced Germany army. Jacobin club influenced German army. Answer is false.
So what is the right answer of it? Jacobin clubs
France.
influenced
France.
Middle class
France.
people.
middle class people of
France.
yes.
France.
Yes. Then yes, continue.
The Napoleonic Board upheld reforms and equality. The Napoleonic Board
It is code.
Napoleonic
Napoleonic
code.
code, not
Yes,
board.
ma'am.
It's
Board
code.
upheld reform and equality. The answer is true.
From 1848, Persia took on the leadership of movement of national unification. The answer is true.
Yes.
Mazzini
was a
was a
great
great
revolutionary
revolutionary
leader.
leader of Romania.
Romanian. It's a false answer. So what would be the right answer?
Italy.
Yes. Now, here, assertion and reason. Need to give the reason of this. Okay. Read it out. First question.
Assertion: Italy was divided into 7 states, of which only one was ruled by Italian princely house. Reason: the northern was under the domain of Bourbon King of Spain.
Yes.
Answer: assertion is true, but reason is false. Italy was divided into 7 states, of which only one, Sardinia Piedmont, was ruled by Italian princely house. The northern was under Austrian Habsburg, and the southern region was under the dominance of the Bourbon King of Spain. Therefore, assertion is true, but reason is false.
Yes. Before solving such type of question, you need to read out the direction. Look at here. Mark the option which is most suitable. A, if both assertion and the reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. जो आपको assertion दिया है वो reason दिया है, दोनों correct है, then you will write correct answer A. If both assertion and reason are true, but reason not the correct explanation of assertion, then B. C. If assertion is true but reason is false. D. If both assertion and reason are false. In this condition, we have to put A, B, C, D. Is it clear? Now,
Ma'am, writing reason is compulsory or not, means explanation part.
explanation is compulsory, beta.
Ma'am, but it is of 1 mark, na?
Okay, now if I will give this in a 3-mark question, give the reason of this, then it is for your practice, na? You are not solving. If you are asking about the exams, no need to write explanation. Okay.
Yes.
Now read out second one.
Germany, Italy, and Switzerland were divided into kingdoms, duchies, and cantons whose rulers had their autonomous territory. Reason they were closely bound to each other in spite of their autonomous rule. Answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, answer is not visible.
बताओ. मैंने उसको कवर कर दिया. A B C D क्या होगा? What would be the answer?
Ma'am, assertion is correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion.
So what would be the option? C. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Answer option C.
Question number 3. Anyone else rather than Veeram?
Yes, ma'am. May I?
Yes, please.
Assertion. Giuseppe Mazzini worked with the conservative for the monarchy. Some reason? No, it's not showing in my.
Italy had to continue to be a patchwork of small states and kingdom. Okay. अभी हो गया visible. Option D. So,
No,
children,
is the false only assertion, as he did not work with conservative, means he worked against conservative, and Italy has to get united, so both are wrong.
okay. So here I am asking question. Now you need to reply because answer is given there and you are just reading out. Assertion is culture played an important role in the creating the idea of the nation. Culture played an important role in creating the idea of the nation. Reason is weavers in the Silesia had led a revolt against contractors who supplied raw materials and gave them orders for finished textiles, but drastically reduced their payment.
Ma'am, both statements are correct,
Yes, ma'am.
but the
Reason is
explanation
not
is
the
not
correct
correct.
explanation of assertion.
Yes. Both assertion and reason are true, but the explanation is not correct. Good. Nice. ये पहले करना था क्या मेरे को? Ayush suggested me this. Okay. From the very beginning, the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practice like the idea of la patrie and the la citoyen. Reason. This was done to create a sense of collective identity among the French people.
Ma'am, both the statements
Both are
true.
correct and explanation is also
Both the
correct.
statements are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Explanation is also correct.
Good.
All are correct.
So, children, I will do one thing today by evening. Please check it in your portal. I will upload this in a कहाँ पे इसको अपलोड करना है? बोलो. Sample question paper है ना?
Sample paper
separate section
yes.
in a sample question paper. Please solve it. Please go through it. आप लोगों को मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप साइट पे जाइए, विजिट करिए और इसको डाउनलोड करिए. नो नीड टू गो देयर. ऑल द थिंग्स आई हैव मैंने कलेक्ट कर लिया है और आप लोगों को मैं शेयर करूंगी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड विच आई वांट टू शेयर विथ यू इज it is a question paper of chapter. So tomorrow we have class. आपका SST class है कल? I think it's not there. So in a very next class I will share this one. Be ready with your answer. It is a question paper. Have a look. CBSE हमारा काम बहुत इजी कर दिया है. खुद ने क्वेश्चन पेपर बना के दे दिया हमको इतना सारा. ठीक है. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, 5 mark of last 15 years. of last 15 years. You can see here we have 52 questions which we will discuss in the class in a very fast manner, not in not in this manner as today we have done. Okay, and after discussion again I will upload that in your portal. Now we are, SCBSC is helping us, we the teacher are helping you. Now it's a time to help yourself. अब आप खुद अपनी मदद खुद करिए बेटा, ठीक है। Fine. So, one very essential thing I would like to discuss with you is send your notes. Be ready for your subject enrichment test. It's very essential, beta, because all the things which you are giving as a test or something else or notes, all the marks we are sending to CBSC. Okay. Note submission, there is the time limit. When I ask for the notes immediate, you need to submit it. Very few children had submitted, very few children have sent me notes, है ना। आप लोगों ने अपने मार्कशीट में देखा है ना, एक कॉलम होता है कॉपी करेक्शन सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट, सबके मार्क्स होके जाते हैं। सो इट इज मैंडेटरी टू सेंड। फाइन। नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से इज, again Akshat Malu is saying when we have to submit. When I send the message in your group, children, I got only 3 notes, so try to send it by evening today. Clear? Fine. And one more thing, it is compulsorily attend the class. Those who are not attending the class, please convey your convey my message to them. If you are connected with your friends, please. Fine. God bless you, dear children.